What up interwebs, and welcome to Pulling Apart Moderately Priced Headphones. Today, fresh from the Sennheiser factory, we have a pair of HD600s. Boom. At no point will I be listening to these. If you're expecting some kind of review of audio quality, I would look elsewhere. This is purely about how you pull them apart, what's inside, what's the dealio. So, I don't know if you've seen these before, but they come in a lovely box. Slightly too tight to pull apart on video. Alright. Ta-da! Yeah, it's a sexy box, yeah. It's yeah, considering they're not crazy expensive headphones, it's a really nice box. Right, so these are the HD650, prized among studio engineers and audiophiles alike for their accurate sound reproduction. What we're going to do is, the good thing is, for these we don't need any special tools. It's like the HD25s, they're designed to kind of come apart. So, first of all, pull on the cable, unplug the cable, done. Just going to put this here so I've got somewhere to put the bits. Okay, the pads kind of unclick, get your finger inside, clickety click, that comes away. There's also a felt pad in there. Some people take those out because it makes it sound slightly brighter, so that's something you can experiment with if you're trying to tweak them. Just get the other pad out. Those. Alright, to get the ear cups apart, essentially you just need to, you see this bit here and the lower thing, you need to pry those apart. And this will lift up slightly. And then you can grab hold of the grill and that will pop out. Done. And then this bit comes off. Done. And then... It's been a while since I've done these, I've forgotten now. I think you just pull these outwards a little bit, yeah. So just pull the yokes out of the hinges, take them out, that's your driver. Let's do the same on the other side, so just prying that apart, pull the grill off, pull the doobly-doo off, pull those out. It's easier if you turn the ear cups a little while you're doing it. There you go. That's that driver. Then to get the head pad out, there's little clips in the end here, I think, if I remember correctly. Right, I've got a little screwdriver here to put a bit of prying. But yeah, essentially you lever that up, that little black plastic bit pops off, and then you can slide out the head pad, because we sell replacement ones of these if you need them. And that's probably about as pulled apart as you want to do. There's a little clip holding these in. Yeah, so that's off. Release the plastic clip the other side. Arms. There you go, one dismantled pair of headphones. Pretty quick with the HD600 and 650. If you were considering modding them, some people remove these little foam discs from the back here, but it's a bit tricky and you can't put them back in, so don't do that until you've tried just without the pad on the front, because that seems to make quite a lot of difference. I hope that was informative. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments and I'll try and answer them. Blah 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 blah. Word to your nan. What? Goodbye.